and welcome to Cooking with Chef Oohlala, the Kitchen Slayer. Today we are going to prepare one of my favorite dishes. We are cooking crab and shrimp stuffed salmon. Who's ready to eat? So today we are starting with our salmon. I had got 6 pounds of salmon. I cut them in 3-ounce strips and took the skin off, and we have it right here. Then we have our garlic salt, our salt and pepper, our lemon juice, and don't forget we use our TNT crabs Freakin season on all our recipes, and it is on our website. Then we're gonna come with cream cheese, and we're also gonna use crab meat. Today I'm using the claw meat. You can use jumbo lump, you can use special, whatever you prefer for your dish. And I come with the Royal Reds, the red Argentine shrimp. The size I prefer are the 16 to 20. Whatever you prefer, you can use. Then we use our fresh Parmesan, fresh mozzarella, minced garlic, and red chili pepper flakes for a little bit of kick. Our parsley, our lemon juice, and our TNT crabs and seafood butter sauce to pull this whole recipe together. So now we're going to take our shrimp and kale and pour it into our cream cheese mixture and toss it lightly. Then take our crab meat and leave some to top the salmon with, and then gently fold it over. And then you are done. So now we're going to take our salmon, we're going to pat it dry, and then we're going to use our crab and shrimp stuffing and fill it up. Then you take a generous heap of stuffing. And it's okay if it comes out the sides, because people will love you for more food. And you take your other piece of salmon, pat that dry also, and you place it on top like a sandwich. And it's gonna get a little messy. And you can use toothpicks. I use prongs to secure it in your 4 corners. And voila! So now we take the salmon and put it on the grill. Now our salmon is ready and we're getting ready to plate it. It looks delicious. So I did a grilled orange for some garnish. And voila. Let's get into it. Take some of the grilled butter sauce for finishing. Now let's taste. And remember to move the toothpicks or whatever you use. It's delicious. Thank you for joining me. And follow us on YouTube at Cooking with Lala the Kitchen Slayer. Follow us on Instagram at Chef Oohlala's, and follow us on Facebook at Cooking with Lala the Kitchen Slayer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and stay tuned for more. Because our food will have you screaming, ooh, la la. Have a good day.